Good morning, sir. Jomeli Abado. I'm Jomel Dumaligalig, and I will memorize the 30 words with meanings. And start na natin. Kasi po wala pong scar. Wala lang po pumo. Yan. Wala po. Simulan po na natin. Alphonse Berterion, founder of personal identification, vocal point. Ito yung tinatawag na Correct Delta. Dactyloscopy, ito yung pag-aaral ng fingerprint personal identification. Tapos periscopy, pag-aaral ng palad sa kamay. Tapos ending range, ito yung dulong parte ng range. Tapos poros, ito yung obvious canal structure. Tapos poroscopy, ito yung pag-aaral ng sweat pores. Macrodactyl, ito yung enlarged finger. Tapos microdactyl, small finger. Ectrodactyl, ito yung kulang-kulang or malformation na daliri. Tapos syndactyl, ito yung side fusion o dikit na daliri. Tapos polydactyl ay lagpas limang daliri. Dactylos means finger. Tapos scope pen means study or examine. Tapos Sir William Herschel, father of chiroscopy. Tapos Edward Richard Henry, father of fingerprint. Tapos Latin print, ito yung visible or nakikita nating mga mata. Tapos ang core, ito yung nasa gitna ng fingerprint. Tapos bifurcation, ito yung nahati sa dalawang range. Tapos podus means foot. Tapos forest means four. Tapos chair means hand. Tapos inner, 3 or more inside. Tapos outer, 3 or more outside. Tapos meeting, 2, 1 to 0, 1 to 0, 1 to 0, 0, Genereso Reyes, first Filipino fingerprint technician. Isabella Bernales, first Filipina fingerprint technician. Tapos Lucila Lalo, first Filipina chop lady. Paul Elkert, father of criminalistic in United States. Tapos forensic anthropology, skeletal remain, 30 lang. Tapos